Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Usembut Menteri Rangba jong kejela ubah Preston Tensong hagakat sauteri kupenai nok pra arajar arpuwei uloong baki syakri sorkar berkinong hikai kiba angnot ban rung syaka jeli jong kesan pertai kidai ban resign shwa na kakam kabaki trei kenang bakan embu jing hadin habut. Usembut Menteri Rangba kejela ula penpau yakani hadin bagi nongilam jong ke Voice of the People's Party hapo ka jingilam jong ubah Arden Miller basayo maj kila yakendo yang Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Sangma hagakat lai terik ubnai nok pra arajar arpuwei ban penpau ya kejing ngaudiau halor kejing penmi hukum ke sorkar ka bakhang ya kinongi kai school bat ya kinongi kai college ban yakit lingkor haki sengsan perthai bat haki kamshnong kamthau.
Maria kani ngatrai kawan ke proposal na ka education department. Kagaba kadu ngi notify de hadir bakarai ka kabinet. Banjia ka proposal lawra na kalian ke education department. Dia kani ngi la ka don ka ba persyak ngi sepet kai ka ba bahatam ni le nomor ba piong kinong hikai ne ki ba ne kinong hikai ya ka ka ba bahatam ya ka tangin le kenang ba kan jai be RT kinong hikai. Dan hati jing sengaw jong ay maruay kalong tang ni. Kibriyo kibatrei kam sorkar. Lapi ong kinong hikai, lapi ong ki eki eru. Dengan try kata dekat kam jopi. Gaba pila la sir tu lop ya pi kumta. Dan ladangi ong pada mentangin lah manlek sekata, kalak manlek sekata, kalak manlek sekata. Namar ke service sul kadon. Kan kum ke service sul kadon. Dan ladang ong pi ban syukran untuk sekong kemasuk. Terengah orang pi ngihapan kategorize pada. Kibukumno kita ginong hikai. Mentapi orang ya kibukumno. Dia kata ngin siapa ngin dia studi bah. Orang pi let's say ka nakaliam joka education ka sona. Dia ngin sia discuss about kabinet. Say we welcome intellectuals. As a politician, I welcome intellectuals to join politics. I did join politics, but I resigned my job. We need to be very clear on that. I joined politics way back in 2002. I still remembering my registration also. 15 October 2002, I resigned my job. I joined politics. So I think we need to understand that. Whoever wanted to join politics, the door is always open. You can join anytime, any moment, but you need to resign from your job. That's it. Very simple.